Well, good morning and welcome back to 5280 Adventures. I've got a real quick video here coming directly from Nokta Makro. Dilek has put out another live stream interview that's talking specifically about the Legend and the iron bias with the Legend. Now, the engineers have been working feverishly over the last couple of days. They've added a brand new feature to the software that's going to be able to identify and deal with that iron bias, and she put out a really small video showing what those engineers are working on. I'm going to show you that video right now. But before we get to that, what I ask you to do is if you guys are interested in staying up to date in the most metal detecting news, if you're interested in metal detecting videos and adventures, or generally just a big fan of the hobby of metal detecting, I ask you that you please hit that subscribe button, click that bell for notifications, and as always, if you find value in this video, please click that like button. I truly do appreciate it. I'm anxious to get over and see what those engineers are doing out at Nokta Makro in terms of the iron bias. So let's head over to the video. I can't wait to see it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna roll this video. Okay, guys, hold on just a second. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna pause it. Now here, our tester now is gonna start with the current software that's used in the production model. Okay, so I'm gonna start this video. This is the production model now, what everybody is getting. Okay, so I believe you can see it. I'm gonna pause it here. I believe you can see. By the way, guys, is there any problem with the noise? I mean, with the sound? Can you hear the sound of the video? Can somebody make a comment, please? I'm gonna pause here until I see a comment. Can you hear the sound of the video? Because this is the first time I'm doing it. Okay, I'm just gonna, of course, there's a delay with this video. So I'm gonna, okay, yes, can hear it. Okay, thank you so much. So I'm gonna roll it now. As you can see, he cannot hit that dime next to that big ferrous. Actually, we couldn't find the exact same, of course, ferrous item that Ify used, but this is a pretty big rusty ferrous item. Okay, now what he's doing, guys, if you see, he's on the volume setting, because please understand, this is the engineer's test unit. So for now, he just used the volume function to add this iron bias setting. That's what he's using, but I don't know, once we give the update, I don't know how the combination is going to work, which button, which button we're going to use, which setting we're going to use for this. So this is just his beta software, so you understand. And the letters you see RB to the right, okay, is the code he's using for the iron bias setting. So watch this. Did you guys hear that and see that? Did you guys hear it and see it? Okay, do I need to run the video again? I'm waiting for the response. Do I need to run the video again? Yes? Okay. I'm going to run the video again. The first is the current one. And now he's using the new beta software of the iron bias and hit it. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. Please, 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 Don't ask me, oh, when are you going to give this update? We will give it. It's not going to take too long, but I don't really want to push the engineers because they want to do thorough testing on this before we release the update. So I want to give them some time. So please don't rush. We'll give it. And then once we're done with the tests here, we're going to send it to a few of the testers. Do you have any questions on this, first of all, before I talk about the, what do you call that, the shipments? If his test was 90 degrees to that test. Okay, Mark, this is what I'm talking about. You guys. Okay, next video, we'll shoot it from all different angles and I'll post it again. Okay. Anyway, do you have any questions on this?